Alright, so we're just out the back of the Mona Tractors depot in Kverneland. Thought I'd do a quick walk around video of this 4-rotor rake. This is the Kverneland 95 130C Pro. So this rake is a working width of 10 to 12.5 meters. It is under 4 meters high in transport, even with a tyre arm still attached. It's just on a 6155R John Deere at the minute. So some nice features on this rake. So on big tyres, 500mm wide tyres. It's got the Pro Line gearbox from Kverneland, the most heavy duty gearboxes they make on the rakes. So ideal for contractors for heavy usage. It's got the Terralink suspension system for the best ground following. The tines, I don't know if you can make it out on the video, but the tines are equally spaced out and they're staggered as well for the best, so they rake the grass the best. Yeah, it's a nice rake. I'll get inside the tractor and show you how the controls work on this. Okay, so I've just jumped in this tractor cab, and first thing you'll see, no other screens, it's all on the tractor's own command centre. Now we're in the cab, all I have to do to unfold it now is hold down this button here and the rake will start unfolding itself. Okay, now it's unfolded. What's cool about this tractor, because it's got a electric joystick, I can start assigning functions to the joystick. So if I hit this button for the control setup page on the command center, so now as you can see, the buttons on the top of the joystick have already been assigned to functions on the rake. And to change them, all you'd have to do is click one. Here it's got settings for all the different functions on the rake, but at the minute I've set them up so these 4 buttons individually lift the individual rotors. So yeah, I'll show you that now. So if I was to hit number 5, it sends the front left one up and down, and the same if I hit the number 6, it sends that side down. And then with this, then I can lift up either ones I want individually, or I can hit them both together and they send them down, which is, I think, is pretty cool. Pretty handy if you're working on funny shaped fields and you need to lift different ones up. And as well on the screen, if we scroll across here, with this button I can hit for the fronts to go down individually, or under it I can hit the rears to go down individually, and same if I hit them again, they send the rear up and then the front up. Also from the cab you can adjust the width, so now fronts are going out to the widest they can go to rake 12.5 meters. Also, which is pretty cool on this, if I go to this button, this part, and I select to go 170, which is that's the width of the swath that I want, so, and it automatically adjusts to 170. Same way if I wanted this to be a bit smaller, I can adjust that down and it goes back down, which is, yeah, a pretty smart machine. Ideal for a contractor. Once we get some good weather, it's going to go out on demo. So yeah, I'm sure there'll be a video to follow of it going out on demo. Alright, thanks for watching.